Welcome back to Fox 11. Happy Monday. Men are starting to catch on that skincare is not just for women, and dermatologist Dr. Truitt joining us this morning. Dr. Truitt, I learned this over the last couple of years. The older you get, the more you got to start taking care of it. And the younger you start, the better it is. And women's skincare secrets are great. So you're going to share some of those with us today. And what should men know about caring for our skin?
Yes, absolutely. Men are really kind of starting to get onto the beauty bandwagon, which is great. Why not? I think they should. But there are a few things that they're starting to pick up that women have known for a while. Number one, I think the most important thing really is to not use a harsh facial soap. Soaps can be drying, they can be stripping to the skin. I really recommend using a cleanser. There's great ones on the market. I like Neutrogena. I think CeraVe makes a great facial cleanser. My husband actually uses the Body Shop Guarana and Coffee Extract cleanser. It is very moisturizing, energizing, all that good stuff. But yeah, no, I think that's probably one of the most important things right there is to start off with a really nice, gentle facial cleanser, not something harsh.
All right, now we're seeing some video of you doing a treatment, it looks like, in your office. What is this man getting here? Because we've seen this done on people before, but what is it exactly?
Yes, so men are actually starting to get more into the actual procedures of anti-aging. I think probably number one is going to be more men are doing neuromodulators like Botox. That's what I use. That can kind of help stop the hands of time. But probably what you're seeing right now is the Potenza with microneedling. That actually stops the hands from continuing forward. So it will help smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. So I think something like Potenza in combination with Botox can help kind of, like I said, stop the time, but then also keep them from moving forward. And a lot of men are getting into this now.
It is becoming more and more popular. All right, you told us about the bars of soap, what we should be using. Get away from, the ivory that we may be using on our face, too.
Yes, exactly.
Use a moisturizer. What else do you suggest? I guess a moisturizer is the next one, right?
Well, moisturizers are extraordinarily important. I know men don't like the heavy feeling of a cream on their face. I really like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It was actually originally formulated for kids who are on Accutane, where they are more acne prone and their skin can get very dry. And so they came up with the Hydro Boost, which is light but still moisturizing. And they also make a hyaluronic acid serum now, which I think is really good. The other thing that I think men are starting to really kind of get into, and I know it's a little bit of a trigger word, but hashtag mask up when you're talking about facial skincare. I really like masks. I think they're great for the skin. They're great for the soul. It gives you like 10 minutes of some quiet time, which everybody needs. Men's skin tends to be a little bit more oily because they have more sebaceous glands. So I usually recommend something like has charcoal or clay in it. I think Origins makes a really nice charcoal mask for men. And then I actually use the Origins rose clay because it has jojoba essential oil in it that makes it a little bit more moisturizing. But no, I think masks, guys are starting to realize, oh, they're actually a good thing, and they really are.
Put a mask on, and hey, why not? We all could use some extra tips here. And Dr. Truitt, good to see you again. Thanks for joining us. And guys, it's time to catch on. We're behind the 8 ball on the skincare regimen. Thank you.